Hey, what's up, family? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I welcome you to this channel where I share you a site where you can earn money, anywhere in the world. So, without wasting any time, let's just jump right into this site and see how it works and how you can earn on this site. So, I'm gonna just quickly scroll down and show you how it works and stuff. So you explore jobs, like select one job from home and apply for free from all all over the world. Like anyone can apply here. I say all over the world, and then you get hired with talent design. You can work at home and tap into a global network of work. So start working and we make it easy to connect with you popular employees and begin doing work from home. And then this part I like it, it collects your earnings and stuff. You choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and more. So and then the worldwide popular job for you. So here we have online profiling jobs, so you can earn about $10.15 to $37.15 or more per hour. That's a lot, guys. Like per hour, like $10. If you can do the math, like if you work for like 7 hours, how much will you get? So that's close to $70 point something. So yeah, that's a lot. When you do like proofreading jobs, online pay survey jobs, you can earn about $5.75 or more per pay surveys or skill. So yeah, that's a lot. Because you can become affiliate marketing jobs. So you can get a minimum work of 1,250 per month. You can earn up to $25 to $400 per day, guys. That's a lot. Guys. Freelancing blog jobs, 1,500 per month, and then 75 for 225 per day. The transcription jobs, online teaching jobs. So yeah, that's a lot. This website got like a lot of jobs. So it's accommodates like everyone. Like anyone like can apply here. So I like this website. It says like many like jobs here. You can contact contents writing jobs, online typing jobs, getting about 45. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna focus here on online typing job. So yeah, so we're gonna scroll down here. So yeah, this is it. So per word price, a beginner can earn about 0.010 cent. So estimated earning per article is $3 when you type 300 words in a page. So and then you go to intermediate, professional, and become an expert and stuff. So yeah, this is it. So these are all I need. So requirement this basic knowledge of internet and English, minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer, a computer with a high-speed internet connection. So that's the minimum, guys. And then you must be at least 16 years old or above, secondary or high school diploma and stuff. So joining fees, registration is absolutely free, guys. Free. There's no hidden cost, So and then so payment terms and options, your accuracy should be between 98 to 99%. If your accuracy is below 98%, shit, work will be returned and payment will hold till submitting this said work. We have effective payment solution for our freelancers. Find a complete list of payment options from here. So I have I have this to check I have this site where to practice the typing on the computer. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys there. Okay, so this is the typing test. So take a free typing test, so you need to practice on here, and then after that you're good now, so you can go back to the site and and apply there, so this is a test. You can take about 5-minute test, 3 minutes and 1 minute. So I'll leave a link on description to make sure you check it out and try it for yourself and practice and all kind of stuff. And then after practice on that, you can click here and apply now. Step 1, selection application form. Step 2, complete details per guideline, and then submit or send it to us. So step 4, complete the demo project for application. Step 6, schedule interview. Okay guys, so this is application form. You need to fill it in order for you to earn on the site, so I just need to enter personal information here. Operational information in terms of section, and agree signature, and then submit. So guys, this is the website, but I'll leave a link in the description. And make sure you check the site out, and if you have any question, leave them on the comment section, and I will answer to your question. And other than that, guys, make sure. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video, guys, and bye bye.